Hey, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how you can take your customer support game to the next level by integrating your Slack or Discord app with Doplac live chat. This is the perfect integration that allows you to reply your every single customer inquiries instantly from your favorite Discord or Slack app. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you are signed into your Discord or Slack app on the same browser you are signed into Doplac.com account. Then head it over to live chat, click on settings. This is the website that I have connected to my Doplac.com last day. I will be added to the video I button. You can check the video out how to integrate our live chat with the website. Okay, so now I'm going to integrate this website live chat support to my Discord or Slack app. So to click on settings again, and here it is under the setup instruction. Here it is, you can find your Discord or Slack app and you can integrate your Slack or Discord app very easily. So I'm going to continue with Discord. To make sure before connecting your Discord, make sure your Discord has a specific or special server for receiving your customer inquiries, because you have to choose a server to receive your customer inquiries. So I'm going to continue with connected to Discord. And here it is, this is the server that I have created to receive my customer support. So I have chosen my server, then click on continue. And here it is, you have some options I would suggest you to check them out. Then click on authorize. And it's done. Here it is, this is the very simple way. With just a few clicks you can integrate your Discord with Doplac live chat, and the continue process and the setup process also similar for the Slack app. You just have to click on connect Slacks, then it will redirect to you to your Slacks app, and you have to choose a specific channel or Slack community to receive your customer inquiries on your Slack. When you are done with integrating your Discord to your Doplac live chat, then you might be wondering how you'd be able to receive your message and how you can reply to your customer. So I'm going to show you. Here it is, as my Discord is already connected. So I'm going to send a message from here. I need help. And when I have sent the message from here, I have sent the message as a customer. So here it is, I'm going to my Discord. Look at that. This is the message that my customer actually sent it to me. Then I'm going to reply from here. Okay, when I have just click on enter button, then look at that. My customer instantly received the message. So this is the very simple way you can reply to your customer without signing into your Doplac app when you already integrated your Discord app with your Doplac.com. Or you can also do the same from your Slack. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button. Or have any question, leave them in the comment below or reach our support team. Thank you for watching.